Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So we are back at CVS for a brand new CVS sales ad. This ad is a little bit slower. It does include Christmas deals leading up to the holiday, so that's probably why it's a little bit slower. I did, however, get some CRTs that are different than normal. I got $1 off Maui and OGX and $1 off Aveeno body wash, and those seem like the really good CRTs that new accounts get. So I hope that CVS keeps that up in the new year, giving us some extra CRTs than what we normally get. I do apologize for not going live yesterday and not having my regular intro. I've been super duper sick the past week, so I'm trying to recover from that and be back to my normal schedule with going live and my normal intros next week. So with all that being said, let's get into the deals this week. Again, this week, the Gold Bond is buy one, get back a $5 extra buck. My store still has the cheap one at $6.29 out of stock, but they do have the 5.5 ounce lotion at $8.69. So I'm going to pick that up and use a $2.50 off digital coupon. I'll be left to pay $6.19, earning back that $5 extra buck. And that's going to make this just $1.19 this week. The Nivea lotion are buy two, get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab the smallest bottles at $6.79, totaling $13.58, and use a $2 digital. You'll be left to pay $11.58, earning back that $7 extra buck, making two of them $4.58. We also have a really good deal on Vaseline lotion. They're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck, and you can grab the bottles at $5.79. So two of those would total $11.58, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $7.58, earning back that $3 extra buck, and that's going to make two of the Vaseline lotion just $4.58. Okay, next we have a really good deal on the Dove Serum Body Wash. They're $9.99 each and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So grab two totaling $19.98. You do have to grab the orange or the blue. Those are attaching to the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $15.98, earning back that $4 extra buck. And then you can submit to Ibotta for $3 back on each of these body wash, getting $6 back from Ibotta, making your final cost just $5.98 for 2 bottles or $2.99 each. That is an awesome deal for this more expensive body wash that's regularly priced at $13.79. And if you don't already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you sign up and submit for your first Ibotta offer. Neutrogena facial care is spend $30, get back an $8 extra buck. So what we're going to do is grab 3 products. First 2 of the Neutrogena toners at $8.99, and then one of the Hydro Boost lip products at $13.49, totaling $31.47. You can use a $5 digital for the lip product and a $2.50 off of one digital for the toners, and you'll be left to pay $23.97, earning back that $8 extra buck. And then you can submit to activaterewards.com/holiday for a $10 Visa gift card back for spending $30 before coupons on these select products, making your final cost for all 3 $5.97. I will have that Activate Rewards link in the description box down below. And if you do have any Neutrogena CRTs, like a 3 off 10 or a 5 off 20, you can use that to make your out-of-pocket even cheaper. I used to always get 5 off 20s on all my accounts, but I started not getting them, so I really hope we start getting those soon. Let me know in the comment section what Neutrogena CRT that you get normally and if you're still getting it or not. The 25 count Neutrogena wipes are $6.99 and buy two, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them totaling $13.98 and use a 4 off 2 digital. You'll pay $9.98, earn back that $5 extra buck, and that'll make 2 of them $4.98 or $2.49 each. And if you do have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena CRT, use that and it'll make it just $1.98 for 2. If your store follows the 98% rule, you can do this deal on Neutrogena makeup products. They are spend $12, get back a $6 extra buck, so you can grab the lip mask at $11.99 or the lip gloss at $11.99 and use a $3 digital coupon. You pay $8.99, earn back that $6 extra buck, making it just $2.99. Okay, the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap are buy two, get one free. So if your store carries the holiday edition, you can grab 3 of them at $6.89 each. So you'd pay out of pocket just $13.78 with the buy two, get one free. $13.78 out of pocket, and then you can submit to Inbox Dollars for $5 back for buying 2 of the holiday edition Mrs. Meyer's hand soaps, making your final cost just $8.78 for 3 of them or $2.92 each. The Safeguard hand soaps are buy two, get back a $5 extra buck, so you can grab 2 at $5.19, totaling $10.38, and use a $1 digital coupon. You pay $9.38, earn back that $5 extra buck, making 2 of them $4.38. And check if you have any Ibotta rebates. I don't, but some people are saying they do, and it would make it an even better deal. Okay, we have an absolutely insane deal on Batiste dry shampoo. It's a rare deal, so if you use dry shampoo, definitely take advantage this week. One option is grabbing two of the smaller ones at $12.49. So two would total $12.49, and you can use two separate $2 digital coupons that we have in the CVS app. So you'd be left to pay $8.49, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each one, getting $4 back. And that would make your final cost just $4.49 for two of them, or about $2.25 each. And if you don't have two of the $2 digital coupons, we also do have a $2 manufacturer coupon rebate on inbox dollars, so you can submit to that instead if you do not have two of those $2 digital coupons. And then what I would actually recommend doing is, instead of doing the smaller one, grab two of the bigger ones at $16.49. Two would be $16.49, and we have two separate $3 digital coupons for the bigger size. That'll take off $6, and you'd pay $10.49. And then you could submit to Ibotta for $3 back on each of the bigger dry shampoo sprays, getting $6 back. That would make your final cost again at $4.49 for two, or $2.25 each. And we do also have the $3 manufacturer coupon rebate on inbox dollars for the bigger one as well. If you guys do not already have inbox dollars, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you sign up and submit for your first inbox dollars offer. If you are brand loyal to L'Oreal Elvive like I am, there is a decent deal. At my store, they have these super highly priced at $6.59 each, and they're buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. And then we also do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So not the best deal. It would only be basically getting $7 in savings off the purchase of two of them. But if your store has these priced a little bit cheaper, it may be a good deal for you. I definitely had to call out this deal on the perfumes, the designer perfumes that are usually behind the counter at CVS. They are 50% off for the ones priced $19.99 and up, and they're buy one, get back a $10 extra buck. So check out your store for ones close to $20, like a little above $20. They would be 50% off, and buy one, get back a $10 extra buck. That would make them close to free. And check Ibotta, because we do have some different Ibotta rebates for the perfumes that are on sale. So definitely check what your store has in stock and do the deal if it makes sense for you. The Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrushes are on sale for two for $7.98, and they're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing two, you can use a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $3.98. Earning back that $3 extra buck, that would make two of the toothpaste or two of the toothbrushes just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Okay, we actually have a really good deal on all detergent, the liquid as well as the pods, the 19 count. They're on sale for $4.99 each, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So grab one of each, totaling $9.98, and you pay that, earn back your $3 extra buck, and then you could submit to Ibotta for $2 back on the liquid and $2.25 back on the pods, and that'll make your final cost for both of these just $2.73. We have an insane deal on the 2 count of Febreze car clips that are on sale for $6.49 each. Grab two of them, totaling $12.98, and use a coupon 24 app coupon for $5.99 off two of them. You'd be left to pay $6.99, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $6 back on two, making your final cost 99 cents for two, or like 49 cents each. And we do also have a fetch rebate for 1,500 points, about $1.50 back when you spend 10. So that could also credit, and that would make them a little bit of a moneymaker. If you guys do not already have fetch, I'll have it linked in the description box and in the pinned comment to get a $2 bonus when you sign up and submit your first receipt. Okay, these Lysol toilet cleaners are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So grab two, totaling $6.43, and use a 50-cent off one digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $5.93. Earning back that $3 extra buck would make two of these just $2.93. The Ajax dish liquid is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two, totaling $5.83. You'd pay that and then earn back that $3 extra buck, and that would make your final cost for two of them just $2.83. Okay, next let's get into a couple spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck scenarios on P&G household and laundry products. This first scenario is if your store participates in the 98% rule and if you need some paper products. You can grab one of the Charmin on sale for $9.99, the Downy Rinse and Refresh for $6.99, the Downy Unstoppables at $6.99, and the Tide Pods at $5.49, totaling $29.46. Use a $3.50 off of the Downy Rinse and Refresh coupon from the Coupon 24 app, a $3.50 off for the Downy Unstoppables, and a $1 digital coupon for the small size Tide Pods, and you'd be left to pay $21.46. Earning back that $10 extra buck would make all the products just $11.46. Another option for the spend 30 get 10 is swapping out the Charmin for a $12.99 Tide liquid. These 4 products would total $32.46. Use a $3 digital for the Tide liquid, the $3.50 off coupon 24 coupon for the Downy Rinse and Refresh, the $3.50 digital for the Downy Unstoppables, and the $1 digital for the Tide Pods. You'd be left to pay $21.46. Earning back the $10 extra buck would make all 4 products just $11.46. The smaller packs of the Arm & Hammer detergent and the liquid Arm & Hammer detergent are on sale for 4 for $10, and we do have a dollar off 2 digital coupon that's attaching to these products, so that'd make your final cost for 4 of them just $9. Okay, I'm really excited for this gift card deal leading up to the holidays. It should be good for the next 2 weeks, hopefully, for sure, though, for the next week at least through December 20th. They are spend 50, get back a $10 extra buck. All of the gift cards that are included in the ad are 100% included, and then check your store for other gift cards that are tagged. My store wasn't tagged yet, but definitely pick up some gift cards for holiday gifts or to use for yourself, and then earn back that $10 extra buck to use for your couponing. Okay, for my first transaction here, I was rolling extra bucks. I first did the Lysol and the Gold Bond, used the 50-cent Lysol and the $2.50 off for the Gold Bond. I used $10 in extra bucks and paid about $2 out of pocket. So in total, it was like $12 out of pocket. Got back $8 in extra bucks, making this a net cost of $4. And then I rolled those $8 in extra bucks into the all transaction. I used those $8 in extra bucks, had about a $2 subtotal, so it was like $10 total out of pocket. And then I got back my $3 extra buck and $4.25 back on Ibotta. That made my net cost, as I went over in the breakdown, about $2.73 for the 2 laundry products. Okay, and then finally I did the Febreze car clips deal. So I used my coupon 24 coupon, my $3 extra buck from the last transaction from the all, paid about $4 out of pocket, and then got back $6 on Ibotta. So my net cost for this was just 99 cents, and I did submit to Fetch as well and had to correct my receipt, and I'll hopefully get $1.50 back from Fetch as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and comment your favorite deal of the week. Let me know what CRTs that you got, if you got the same like interesting ones that I got, some extra ones than what you normally got, and I will catch you guys in next week's Sunday video.